Hi everyone, some fact. Do you know paddy is the third most important crop in Malaysia after the oil palm and rubber? So the idea of my project specifically focused on the paddy plant with Nafa Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I'm MAHYUDIN AZIZ, presenting AI-driven self-power smart agriculture system for paddy field with early disease detection. This project also already applied with my IPO for patent. Now let me see video demonstration first. Alright, here is my mobile application. So firstly, we're coming with the splash screen first. So you go to the sign up page. So if you don't already have an account, so you go to the login page and then key in the username and the password. So here in user interface we have two buttons, which is the optional, which we help and diagnose. Help, we can monitor the real-time data, and then the second one is diagnosis, which is here I access to the camera and the mobile gallery for AI prediction disease. Alright, next, this time I try for testing the data transmission about 100-200 meter distance. So it's no issue because the data transmission are using a Wi-Fi modem, which is internet connect with the ESP32 abandoned Wi-Fi here. So it's no issue. So the data transmit smoothly and the operation is continuously without constraints. So here, the first one, nowadays food security is important for all society around the world to ensure sufficient food. The source for every human being that is increasing. Rice is the most food source we consume around the world, but people in Asia and specifically in Malaysia, we consume rice as a daily food. However, Malaysian rice production is still limited. Imported rice is still needed to supply the need of nation. Malaysian rice and paddy sector face difficulty related to the several weather pattern, low soil fertility, and slow adoption of new technology. So the conventional method of manually monitoring rice field for parameter requiring a physical inspection. So this the goal of this project, which is to implement a real-time paddy field monitoring for all element needs, develop a mobile application to support the adoption of new technology among Malaysian farmers, and AI to predict the rice leaf disease. For problem statement, we have three, which is here. The first one is the traditional agriculture, lack of real-time monitoring and coordination. And the second one is we rely on renewable energy. So the third one, we lack access to efficient and accurate diagnostic tool, and this may delay in disease detection for our farmers. So next is objective. So we have three objectives. So for scope and limitation, we have three. The first one is real-time monitoring, implement various of sensors to collect data on the soil moisture, temperature, humidity, water level, and so on. But the data accuracy may rely on the cost, more expensive, and quality sensor, more accurate the data with less tolerance. So the second one is solar power installation. So we use a solar system to power up all the entire system to our product. The solar system is to capture and convert the sunlight into electricity. However, solar power is depend on sunlight. Reduce the efficiency during rainy season, cloudy day, or in a region with a limited sunlight. So the third one is AI model development. So development of machine learning algorithm to analyze collected data and identify pattern indicate of rice leaf disease. However, the challenge in obtaining the diverse and representative data for different disease type and stage. We have issue to collect more data set. So if we got more data set, we can train our AI more accurate. So the percentage of accuracy will be increasing. Two part, which is 5 from the IoT technology, and then there's 5 part for the image processing. So total we have 10 previous research technology. So here the step how I do. Here the flowchart for the system, flowchart for image processing. This all kind of sensor and microcontroller that I use for this to develop this prototype and solar system and software for coding mobile apps. Here is a circuit diagram for monitoring, and then circuit diagram for power source. So here is a prototype sketching 3D model. So that is prototype development. So let me see the video. So here how I do custom my box, panel box, and to realize this design, I need to get help from the welder shop to welding the frame. So however, all the material I use relate to the industrial grade, so it's ready to be in the market because of I'm using the hollow metal and angle bar, and then the solid metal plate for prototype base. And here how I train my model, my AI model, by using a Google Colab. So next is a prototype assemble. So first observation and testing at Mr. Rusli Peripheral in German Kedah. Here I test the solar harvest, and then during testing test, I'm using a TeamSpeak mobile application design, using a database authentication. We store the username and password. Also the real-time database store model train. I'm using Google Colab Node to train my AI for image processing, and using a CNN method. So next is system performance. So for system performance, we have here is costing the safety element, which is here we have. So I think that's all from me. So we have achieved all the objective, and see you the reference. I hope you enjoy, and thank you.